Hello, everybody. I just want to take a quick couple of seconds to describe what is a banana circle. A banana circle is pretty much what I'm doing as a 6x6 circle in all directions with a hole in the middle, at least 3 feet deep. And in the hole, you are pretty much composting. You throw dead leaves and everything else you want to compost. And on the outskirts of the banana circle itself is where you mound all the dirt going around in a circle, and you plant the banana plants on top of the mound. And the banana circle is also designed to utilize the space, so not only can you plant bananas all around, you can also plant other things in the middle of the banana circle, like sweet potatoes, and also on the mound you can also plant things like bush beans and ginger and stuff, things that will go along growing well with the banana plant. Beginning of my permaculture banana circle. I have it in a 6x6 foot hole, well, roughly 6x6, but at the deepest point now, like it's about 2.5 feet. I'm gonna level out the spot right here, down here some more, and of course to start packing it full of stuff, banana pieces. I'm gonna rake up some leaves, throw it in here, but first and foremost I'm gonna put down some compost and manure at the bottom of the hole, and then throw the leaves on top and let it go from there. But as you see, there's some clay in the soil, so where I'll be planting bananas, I will be amending the soil with some peat moss and some other stuff. I'm gonna try to fluff all the soil up on a mound with a bag of peat moss to try to mix in with everything, because as well I'm going to be planting other stuff around the circle as well. I'm going to try to plant I'm thinking about 4 maybe bananas here. I'm also going to be planting some bush beans around the circle. I'm going to be putting a kumquat here too on the edge of the circle. I'm thinking either here in this old spot where one of my citrus was, or I don't know if you can see it, but there's another spot right there where another citrus was on the other side of that mound there that I might put one too. But this is it for now. Just wanted to give a quick video, show you guys how everything's going. You guys can't probably really tell the depth of everything right now. Let me stand up. Let me try to show with this. You probably still can't see it. Maybe this will kind of help a little bit. But I want to go ahead and continue to dig this out. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, back outside at the compost. The banana circle. Getting ready to lay down the compost. It's funny. Woke up this morning. Cannot find my pocket knife. Had to use one of my old grafting knives. Like I said, this don't got to be nothing expensive. These bags is what, $2 a piece. I should look a big hardware store. Spread this out. I'm also gonna add a bag of black cow on top of this as well. Hey everybody, I just want to come with a quick message. I just had a thought that I believe I just wanted to share. With all this gardening and stuff, I've been hearing a lot of people say, "Oh, I don't think I can do this or I can do that." You know, the way I was raised and the way I was brought up, if you have a thought in your mind that you can't do something, or a doubt, or someone is telling you that you can't do something, go do it. Only thing that's going to happen if you're not able to do it, hey, a lesson learned, right? Lesson learned for the next time that you try to do it. But if you go do it and you succeed at it, think about that for a second. You just prove yourself wrong, your doubt wrong, as well as others wrong. For number one, not believing in you. So, anytime you believe you can't do something, how do you know that? Unless you actually already tried it. And if you did try it, you gain knowledge from it, or a possible better way to do it the next time. So get out and try something. It's better than just sitting around doing nothing.